Jai Hind. I am Mehul Gorfad, a NCC cadet from One Gujarat CTC camp and also a student of Power Electronics in Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. So here I gave some information about the Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So let's begin. So first of all, what is Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So the Swachh Bharat Mission or the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a countrywide campaign initiated by the Government of India to eliminate the threat and improve the solid waste management system in our country. So, the Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. The first phase of the Swachh Bharat Mission start from 2014 and it till last up to 2019, and the second phase of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan start from 2020 and ends in 2025. So the main objective of the first phase is to create awareness about the sanitation practice and bring behavior change about the cleanliness drive in our country. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the largest cleanliness drive of our country, which have 3 million government employees participate, and students from all over the countries of rural area and urban area participated in this mission. Around 4,023 cities participate in the Swachh Bharat mission. The name of the Swachh Bharat mission was officially in Hindi and then it translated to English as a Clean India mission. Now, the cost. The cost, the estimate cost of the Swachh Bharat mission is 629 billion US dollar, and out of them, the World Bank gives 1.03 billion of loan for Swachh Bharat mission. From 2014 to 2019, the government constructed 110 million toilets for the public of the India, and they also give subsidy of 12,000 to every family of the India to build their own toilet at their home. But some of the people of rural area can't use the public toilet, so government force them to use that toilet, and some of the families get withdrawn their government benefits from them. And the Swachh Bharat mission was officially start from 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat near New Delhi by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Now, what is impact on our country? The main impact of the Swachh Bharat mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is that it leads to reduce the sexual assault on a woman by 33% after the construction of toilets in every house. It reduces the sexual assault on a woman, and also 81.5 thousand wards have totally 100% of door-to-door garbage collection waste. According to the report of NSO, till 2012, only 40% of the rural area uses the toilet. But after the Swachh Bharat mission, it increased to 70% by 2018, and from the latest report of 2019, 90% of the people of rural area uses the public toilets, and Haryana topping the rank with 99% of usage of toilet in the rural area. Now, some films which is based on the cleanliness drive also has made for the support of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, like Toilet Tech Prem Katha of Akshay Kumar also supports the Swachh Bharat mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for our country. And the cleanest city of our country is Indore topping the rank, and at second place is Surat. Now let's discuss about electronic toilet or a e-toilet. The electronic toilet or a e-toilet is a public toilet used in India. To increase the use of electronic toilet, e-toilet leads to support of the Swachh Bharat mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The electronic toilet leads to reduce the open defecation in our country. The electronic toilet is a self-controlled, self-cleaning, unisex, unmanned, and the remotely monitored toilet installed in a public places. The electronic toilet is installed by the private company and it is a registered trademark. The Swachh Bharat Mission app is also being used by the people and the government organization to achieve the goal of the Swachh Bharat Mission and to bring awareness through the people through advertisement. Thank you. Jai Hind.